Για τη συνέχεια. Θυμάστε που είδαμε πριν τα κορίτσια μας τα μικρά που χορεύανε dancehall και afrobeats? Αυτούς τους χορούς τους δυνατούς και τους περίεργους από την Τζαμάικα και την Αφρική. Τώρα θα έρθουν τα κορίτσια μας τα μεγάλα. Δυνατό χειροκρότημα!
JP's a production.
It's okay.
Get a youth and you hustle in the street and no joke thing. Telephone ring, tele ears ring, and no play thing. At the food thing, at the house thing, at the clothes them for the clothes thing. Tambo canambo, coffee the cash for the tango. In no box shuffle we a do it in a one go. For me banana you can't see no mango. Get it? Mango, and no so the thing go.
RDX. Every girl again. Flick them ghosts. Real bigger. Yeah, sit down like Jackie Bunny Jack. Back it up high then drop it like it hot. Bubble, bubble, bubble like coffee in the pot. Girl, wine till you feel something popping in your back. Wine it, 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 wine it. Bad in a dance, bad in a private. You know the song sweet and a bad hide it. Wild out like alcohol busting in your head. On the floor do it like you are touching in your head. Lean on the one side, tuck it on the edge. Girl, sit down in a saddle and come go fast. Ride it, 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 ride it. Bad in a dance, bad in a private. We know the song sweet and a bad hide it.
Sit down and ride on the bicycle bar. Ride, girl, ride. Full up the tank to a ride, go far. Ride, girl, ride. Mechanical bullet. Ride, girl, ride. See the bike back up, pull away. Ride, girl, ride. Girl, ride. Girl, ride, girl, ride, girl, ride.
Dancehall και Afrobeats. Κι αν χορεύουν έτσι οι μαθήτριες, φανταστείτε πώς θα χορεύουν οι δασκάλες. Μπράβο, Χαρούλα, για τη χορογραφία. Ένα από τα τμήματα που θα γίνεται όλο τον Ιούλιο και από Σεπτέμβρη, φυσικά, στο Independence στο Βόλο.